how to make a drop-down menu on your Shopify store. So right here, we are going to choose online store, and then we have to go to the navigation page here. Once we select this, then you will see a list of all of our menus, and we want to click on add menu here. Once we have selected this, then we will choose add menu item and then write a name. So for example, collections, and then we can search or paste a link. If we click on it, then it will show us a list of the different pages on our website. So I'm going to do collections here, and we can do the collection itself which we want added. So I've just created this one called clothes, and we can click on add. And now if we save this menu, then it will, okay, so we have to type out a title, so collections, and now if we save this menu, it will create a drop-down menu for this. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.